My name is Andrew Lamte, Head of Sales Operations, Toyota Ghana. Today, we are very proud that we have been able to realize the goal of the President and the people of Ghana by commissioning this assembly plant. This assembly plant is actually owned by Toyota Tsusho, and it's called the Toyota Tsusho Manufacturing Ghana. This assembly plant has plans to assemble so many Toyota vehicles and some Suzuki models. To start with, this plant will be assembling the Toyota Hilux. So today the President of Ghana was here to see the first vehicle line off from our plant, the Toyota Hilux, and it is the beginning of so many good things to come. This means that we are supposed to be proud of our products in Ghana. These are vehicles that are produced with the highest quality of the Toyota production system. And rest assured, the standard that you probably get from any of the Toyota established manufacturing plants all across the world will be seen and be produced here in Ghana. Thank you.
Deputy Ministers of State for Trade and Industry, Chairman of Parliament Select Committee on Trade and Industry, and Member of Parliament for Tema West, the Acting Chief Executive Officer of the Ghana Freezones Authority, Chief Operations Officer of Toyota Tsusho Corporation Africa Division, the Managing Director and staff of Toyota Tsusho Manufacturing Ghana Limited, leaders and members of the Auto Dealers Association, Japanese Ambassador to Ghana, members of the Diplomatic Corps, fellow Ghanaians, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very happy occasion for me, the people of Ghana, and indeed for government's industrial transformation agenda, as our country joins the enviable League of Nations assembling Toyota and Suzuki vehicles. Indeed, when the President and Chief Executive Officer of Toyota Tsusho Corporation, Ichiro Kashitani, announced the imminent establishment of a Toyota assembly plant in Ghana on 29th of August 2019 on the sidelines of the 2019 Tokyo International Conference on African Development, TICAD 7, held in Yokohama, Japan. There were some who expressed doubts about the feasibility of such an assembly plant being established in Ghana. There were indeed those who, predictably, for narrow partisan considerations, described this announcement, like they did with Volkswagen, as nothing but a hoax which would never see the light of day. Nearly 2 years down the line, these doubting promises have been confounded, as they will continue to be. And I'm happy to be here this morning to launch officially the first Toyota and Suzuki vehicles that have been assembled in our country. Ladies and gentlemen, this assembly facility will produce Toyota Hilux and Suzuki models for both domestic and African markets. I encourage Toyota to expand in due course the range of models, since the Toyota brand has a strong presence in Ghana, West Africa, and the rest of Africa. And I also urge senior management of Toyota Corporation to leverage the incentives granted under the Ghana Automotive Development Program to make their products affordable and competitive for the Ghanaian consumer. I assure investors and stakeholders within the automotive industry in Ghana of government's continuous, unflinching support for the sustainability of their businesses in Ghana. Accordingly, ladies and gentlemen, I have the great pleasure to commission formally the Toyota Tsusho Vehicle Assembly Facility in Ghana.
The vehicle that was lined off today, being the first Toyota vehicle that was lined off today, is the Toyota Hilux. Now, the Toyota Hilux is a very known product here in Ghana because it serves every sector of the economy. Now, the Hilux comes in 4 variants. We have what we call the Toyota Hilux Tough, we have the Toyota Hilux Regular, then we have the deluxe versions that comes in 2 ranges, a Toyota Deluxe manual transmission and a Toyota Deluxe automatic transmission. Now, when you go to the mining environment, which is a very, very rough terrain, these vehicles are surviving and they are doing the job. When you go to the construction sector, when you go to the agri sector, the telecommunication sector. So Toyota Hilux is the vehicle for Ghana, and we believe that Ghana drives Toyota.